Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I pack my leftover food for lunch. So I'm just going to show you some simple ways how to pack your lunch, your leftover for lunch. Okay, so here I have my salad over here, and here I have my rice, and here I have the stuff that goes on top of the salad, and I have my bowl. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put my rice. So I'm gonna put my rice right in this section right here. Then I'm going to take my salad. I'm gonna put it right in here. So you can cut whatever you have to cut. If they're too big for you, you can cut it up to the sizes that you want them. So put that in there like that. I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper just to get the hotness. So I have my nuts right here. I'm gonna put it in. Just like that. And now I'm going to cover this up. And then for the dressing, I have this little containers you can find from the Dollar Tree. I think it's like 6 for $1 or 8 for $1. So I'm gonna pour my salad dressings into this bowl. And then mix it up with this one. And voila, I have my, my dressing into this little container. And I have my, looks like a takeout, don't it? I have my lunch for tomorrow, and voila. So this is how it looks. Yes, doesn't it look so good? So yes, you guys, you can make anything great, make it look good. Doesn't have to break the bank or whatsoever. So alright guys, I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.